Do you think these platforms are as evil as they're made to be? Well, you know what? Let's see if that is true. Ooh, that's hot and toasty. Let's get into it. Today, I'm going to be discussing, quite frankly, how social media really isn't that unhealthy for you if you use it in the right way. Now, don't get me wrong, of course, scrolling through TikTok and aimlessly looking at videos is usually not healthy for you, and a lot of people do not use this tool as effectively as it could be used. TikTok was designed to grab your attention, then aimlessly keep you scrolling through, which, trust me, a lot of people do. Also, there's no set time on how long you scroll through. For example, if you look at Netflix, once you stop watching a show for long enough, it pops up with a little screen asking you if you want to keep watching, and if you don't click on it, obviously it turns off. So it gives you a sense of time, and it kind of reminds you that maybe you shouldn't be watching Netflix for that long. TikTok though, they don't have that, and trust me, it's not because they forgot or anything, it's simply because they want you to stay on their platform as long as possible. And TikTok is not the only one that's guilty of this. It's also YouTube and Instagram Reels and pretty much any other short-form platform that creates this kind of content or allows the creators to post on that platform. I know the haters, they ain't gonna agree with this. Especially all the people that probably watch the news too much. They'll be like, oh, but I heard it's unhealthy for you and it's toxic and all of these awful things that it's just not. If you are depressed and you watch TikTok, it's not a coincidence that it just starts popping up with a bunch of depressed content. It's because they track what videos you like. They literally follow and track every single thing that you do on that app, the amount of watch time that you watch on those sad videos, and just everything like that. They take into every single aspect to keep you watching sad and depressed videos. But see, now this is where it gets good. If you can break that and actually use it for good, if you start watching motivational videos and stuff, trust me, TikTok will start popping up with a bunch of motivational videos. If you want to learn how to get rich, if you want to learn how to invest in stocks, well, you know what? They start investing in that too. They start tracking how much you watch that too. If you're actually genuinely wanting to make a lot of money or do anything like that, it can be helpful. It keeps you motivated. So yes, these platforms are all not that bad. I mean, yeah, they're not amazing, but people put all of these platforms out to be a lot worse than what they actually are. Now, quite frankly, on these platforms, I am going to be uploading a whole new series of videos coming pretty soon. It's going to be where I try out the most unusual healthy trends that a few rich people try, and trends that just practically make no sense, such as eating carrots for a week. And only carrots. Stay tuned if you want to see that. I hope you all have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next one.